Hey there! Welcome to eTollFree's Cloud Phone tutorial. We're super excited you're looking into signing up for our service. We know it might seem a bit daunting at first, but don't worry. We've got you covered with a simple step-by-step guide. So, let's dive right in and get you set up. Step 1. Selecting your phone number. First things first, you're going to want to pick out a phone number. This can be a local number or a toll-free one, depending on what fits your needs best. To sign up for a toll-free number, go to Toll-Free Number Search, select the number you would like to purchase from the drop-down menu. There are currently 7 different toll-free numbers available: 800, 833, 844, 855, 866, 877, and 888. After choosing the toll-free number code you prefer, the system will generate 10 number options. Click the number you like and hit on Continue. If you're into vanity numbers, like one that spells out a word, we've got a cool tip for you. Use the mobile keypad numbers to select your word. For example, for 800 hello, you'd enter 800-43556 and then hit the star key for any extra characters. Remember, the availability of numbers can change quickly since we share a database with other carriers. If you find the perfect number, grab it fast. Do you prefer a local US number? No problem. Click on the Worldwide section, select USA, and then type in the area code you want. We're working on adding SMS and MMS features, so stay tuned for updates. Step 2. Setting up call forwarding. Once you've got your number, it's time to decide where those calls should go. Here are your options. First option, forwarding to another US number. Just type in 1 and then the 10-digit number. Now, to forward the calls to a phone number outside the US, choose Ring to International Number. Start with 011, followed by the country code and phone number. Second option, VoIP phone or soft phone. Provide the IP address or domain name for your PBX system. Ring to voicemail is our third option. This requires an existing account for setup. If you're new, opt for Ring to VoIP connection initially, and set up voicemail via the PBX dashboard later. If you have an account, enter your voicemail setup in the PBX dashboard, then click Continue. The fifth option, Ring to Fax Number, allows you to forward calls to an existing US fax number. Simply add 1, followed by the 10-digit fax number. For fax to email, select this to receive faxes as PDFs via email. Enter your email address for setup. To learn how to send faxes, please watch our next video tutorial. Conference Bridge, VoIP phone, and call screening require an existing eToll-free account and prior configuration in your PBX dashboard. Our customer service team is here for you from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Just hit the bubble icon at the bottom right corner of the page, and we'll be right with you. Thanks for choosing eToll-Free, and we can't wait to get you started.